me show you how I did this. First thing, you need the ribbon. You measure out how long you want it to be. You fold it 2 times. Then you cut it. Once you cut it, you're going to take this rubber band, pinch the middle, and wrap the rubber band around it. Should look like this, but you're just going to straighten it out some. Now you're going to do the same exact thing to one more. Now you're going to put them both together and put a rubber band over both of them. Should look like this after. Now let's make the legs, I'm going to call it. For the legs, you're going to take the ribbon, cut it again. You're going to bend your legs, just like this. Then you're going to take one of your rubber bands and split it in half. Now you're going to take your bow. This side that has the excess, it's the back of it. You're going to take your legs, put the rubber band in the back of the legs, like this. Should look like this right now. And now you're going to tie your rubber bands in a little knot. 2 to 3 knots should be fine. You're going to fix your legs on your bow like this. But now it's time to cover up this other ugly thing. You're going to cut your ribbon, just a small piece, like this. And then you're going to put your ribbon around like this. Now to attach the little small ribbon to the back, you're going to put a rubber band over this again. And there you go. You got a bow.